What major trends are shaping the floor prep industry today? I'll sum it up in one word: speed, right? Quick return to service. Time is money. And if you have products that can be applied one day and get installed over same day, that's a pretty unique product.
We're also continuing to see an increase of gypsum repair and replacement projects because there's more of those applications in the market now. And many of those have had LVT installed for 8-10 years now. And when they remove that LVT, you're damaging the gypsum more.
So floor prep is key for those because you have to have a much flatter surface so you don't see ripples in the floor or undulations in the floor. And those types of flooring are often more susceptible to moisture as well.
We're also seeing an increase in moisture mitigation projects, and the main reason for that is people are starting to use water-based adhesives and products that are not breathable flooring products. So when they put these down, they're trapping the moisture. So we see a lot of issues on projects with that. So we're able to provide a solution for the moisture mitigation as well.